I searched how to buy shares of Jerash Holdings US Inc. to show a practical example. Jerash is a Jordan-based apparel manufacturer trading on NASDAQ under the ticker JRSH. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy JRSH, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an illustrative example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker JRSH to find the correct listing. Make sure the result shows Jerash Holdings US Inc. and the NASDAQ exchange. On the stock page, you will see basic company information, a price chart, and recent data. Confirm the page is for Jerash Holdings US Inc. with the JRSH ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed according to the broker's order type. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your JRSH position will appear in your portfolio and update with price changes. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.